Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. So in this video we're gonna learn about operators in Java. There are three types of operators: arithmetic, relational, and logical operators. Okay, arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, multiplication, division. Okay, if you wanna check the remainder, so that's why we use arithmetic operators. Our language understand it. Okay, Java understand it very easily. The next one is relation operator. If we wanna check if two values okay are equal, then we use equal. Okay, not equal. Like if we have a situation where we need to check like if two values are not equal, then we enter into that particular situation. Otherwise, we exit. Okay, so same like that. Greater than all the implies house age is greater than 40. Okay, we wanna get the list. Less than, okay, all the implies house age is less than 25, greater than or equal. Okay, so you want to check house age is less than 20. It it didn't include 20 if we use less than only, but if we use less than or equal, then we it must include 20 also. Okay, and the next one is logical operator. Like if we have to check multiple relational. Okay, we have multiple relational operator like all the implies house age is greater than 40, and okay, we're gonna check and all the implies house salary is less than 30. So it's checked by logical operator. Or is used, okay, if uh, any of the situation, okay, if any of the, like if we have to compare, like you can see a is greater than b, or b is greater than c, or C is greater than D. So if any of the, like if A is greater than B, even this B is not greater than C, and C is not greater than D. Okay, it return true because we need only one, at least one. Okay, true. So in this case, you can see all the situation must be all the statement must be true. Let me tell you here. You have to check using and. So all must be true. Okay, so let's understand it with a programming example. Okay, so I create this code. You can see first of all I declare two numbers. Okay, number one is 50, number two is 54. So if we have to calculate the sum of two numbers in Java, how can we do that? You can see we have to type we have to create a new variable. Okay, where we have to store the result. So this is assignment operator. Okay, and our Java program, Java compiler first take this number and check what's the operator between them. Okay, and then the second number. So it will calculate the sum and store in their particular variable. Okay, and will display the result here. Same like that, we create another variable and calculate the subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, and the last one is remainder. Okay, so you can see this one is the result. 50 plus 54 is 104. Okay, minus 4 because 50 is subtracted from 54. Okay, so this is the multiplication result. Division is 0 because we use integer data type. Okay, integer didn't contain any floating point number, so result may be 0.01 like that. Okay, because integer didn't store any floating point number, so it returns 0. Okay, and the remainder. Okay, 50 modulus 54, which is equal to 50. So this is the remainder. Next is our relational operator. Okay, if I were to check the relation, if a is greater than b is greater than c, okay, like that. So you can see, if you have to compare, like is equal, you can see if a equal b, a is not equal to b because a is 10 and b is 20. But if you can see, now if I run, you can see it must return true here instead of false. You can see 20 and 20 equal. Okay, you can see a not equal b, which means 20 not equal to 20, which is this statement is false, so it return false. A is greater than b, false. B is less than, no, this return true because we have to check less than or equal. Okay, same like that, a and b are equal. Okay, so a may be less, like if I get a situation where you set b, okay, to 2 and then check it again. So you can see on this situation, b and a are not equal. Okay, so it return false. Here 20 is not equal to, okay, this statement is true, so that's why it return true. A is greater than b, and see a is greater than b, which this statement is also true. A is less than b, no, because a is 20. Okay, that's why it return false. Okay, the next one is our logical operator. Like we, if we have a statement x equal true and y equal false, okay, so it must return false. Why? Because we need true in both. Okay, if all the statements are true, okay, all the conditions are true, then it will return true, otherwise it return false. Like you can see, okay, these all are false, so it also return false, it also return false. Okay, because none of them is true, and it will be sorry, true, because it will invert it. Let's first run and check what's happened. You can see it's turned true, false, false. So if I make all true, then what's happened? Now you can see true, true, because here we need only one true. If any of the one, like if y is only true for r, okay, you have to type and z r z, okay, the result is same. So if I make 5 false, z false, so this statement return true. Okay, so z again it return false. Okay,